Here's a cool tip to do on your next live stream. Pin a comment in your live chat. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here with Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I'm literally about to do a live stream, and as you can see on the timer, there's 16 minutes left before I have to go live. And I've already set up the live, already created it. We actually use StreamYard, and this is what it looks like behind the scenes. This is the back end of the dashboard before I go live, and we'll head back to the viewer side of the live stream. So here's a cool tip to do. In the live chat, this is the live chat right here on the right hand side, you can put a pinned comment and you can use it to promote whatever you want. And in this case, we're going to use it to promote our course called The Profitable Channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab this text right here, copy that, go back to the channel, put this right here, and then I'll put like a colon or something, and then I'm going to grab the link of our course, copy that, go back to the channel, paste that in there, and then I'm going to click this button right here, which basically is like an enter to make it go onto the live chat. And then once you've made the comment, click the three dots, pin the message, and then it's going to look like this. So it's got like a ton of attention on it. So when people are in the live chat, they'll be able to see this message, and you know, someone might be interested in it, seeing it. Oh, learn how to monetize your expertise. Yeah, I'm interested in that. And then click on that and then go check out our Profitable Channel course. So that is a quick tip that you guys can do on your live streams to promote whatever you want. It could be your website, another social media channel, merch. Sky's the limit. So if you thought this video was cool, hit the thumbs up button. Oh, and if you want to check out the course, the link is down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.